got into the finals. And the finals is a 2-day science basking event at Plaza Singapura. In order to prepare us, Science Center invited world-renowned science communicator and performer Eddie Goldstein, who specializes in creating dynamic presentations, demonstrations, and exhibits for museums and science centers. I learned so much from him. Now, I will show you some snippets of the workshop.
Let's hear what you're doing.
Hello everyone, we are the Hogwarts School of Science and Music. I am Ashley the Sorcerer. This year, we are graduating from the school, and in order to graduate, we must each perform magic. Now, I will show you my magic. Look at all these empty containers. Would anyone like to share? Empty, right? Okay, you want to see?
So you might have to walk around. Good, nice.
Okay, let's go. Now, using my magical potion, I will make colors appear in each container. Look at all the colors. Don't they look beautiful? Now, using the same magical solution, I will make all the colors disappear. 1, 2, 3, disappear.
We might have to stand up so we can see what's
Maybe you all can just crowd around.
What did I tell you? All the colors are disappearing. Now this is what I call magic. No, that isn't magic, that is science. You don't have one type of magical solution, but 2 types.
When you change color, you go, oh, well, the indicator changed colors because you changed it from an acid to a base, or something like that. Does that make sense? Does that make sense to everybody? Okay, we are good. We're right on time. Nice job. I just want to say one thing to all of the groups. You need to figure out how you're going to reset, because if the next judge comes by right now, how long is it going to take for you to pour your chemicals away, get your other chemicals ready to go, et cetera, et cetera. So practice at home, resetting. Practice at home. Okay, let's see how fast we can get it set. Don't do it now. Let's see how fast we can get it set and ready to go again. With all of these where you need resetting, you have a big bucket underneath where you can just pour it down and be ready to go again. Okay? Good job.
See you at the finals.